Lots more of these. We need lots more. Isn't this little shrub so beautiful? It's Tecoma capensis. I think it's from Campsis. That means from the Cape region of Africa, doesn't it? South Africa. It's, is it called Cape honeysuckle as well? Is that its common name? It's very beautiful. It's growing in here in quite a shady position. It's in a pot at the moment, but I think I will leave the pot exactly where it is. I've got lots of them that have come up from cuttings. So beautiful. The colour's so amazingly brilliant, isn't it? Brilliant. It's so brilliantly coloured. Really lights the place up. It really does. I think I should plant it everywhere. Gorgeous stuff. It's related to trumpet vine, Campsis grandiflora from China, but it doesn't bloom at the same time. Trumpet vine's already finished for the year, but this Tecoma capensis blooms much later. It does look a bit like a honeysuckle, doesn't it, in a way? It does look a little bit like a honeysuckle. It is reminiscent of nectar. It is, isn't it lovely? So beautiful. I should like it everywhere. The thing about having huge grounds is you can have anything you like. You can just plant a number of anything you like. I've got, how many of these? I've probably got about 10 in pots. See all those pots there? I've probably got about 10 of them all together. And look, here's one that escaped the pot. It escaped out the bottom of a pot, so this one's growing in the ground already. Won't it be wonderful in a couple of years' time? Tecoma capensis from the Cape region. Isn't it lovely? So here I am in the potting shed, and you can see that Tecoma can be a very long vine, just like a Campsis grandiflora. So it's one of those trumpet vine. It's a member of those. It's related to all those trumpet vines. There's Campsis grandiflora from China, and there's Tecoma capensis from South Africa, and there's a North American member of the family too, I think. That sort of trumpet vine from North America. So anyway, you can see that they're very long. They can be very long vines. Tecoma capensis is half shrub, half vine, whereas Campsis grandiflora is a vine. How beautiful they are. So very beautiful. Is it Tecoma or Tecomaria capensis? I'm not sure now. Perhaps the name has been changed over the years. So lovely. Gorgeous stuff. Cape honeysuckle.